I bet you didn't know making money online can be this easy. With the digital age in full swing, opportunities to earn from the comfort of your home have never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-fledged online business, the internet offers a plethora of options. Let's dive into 5 super simple ways to make money online in 2024. First up, freelance gigs. Freelancing has become a popular choice for many, offering flexibility and the chance to work on diverse projects. If you can write, design or code, sites like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, providing a steady stream of job opportunities. You can set your own rates and choose projects that match your skills and interests. Next, got a knack for teaching? The demand for online education has skyrocketed, making it a lucrative field. Try tutoring on platforms like Chegg Tutors. These sites allow you to share your knowledge in subjects you're passionate about, helping students while earning money. You can tutor in various subjects, from math and science to languages and test prep. Share your smarts and get paid. Plus, the satisfaction of helping others learn is a reward in itself. Third, ever heard of dropshipping? This business model has gained immense popularity due to its low startup costs and minimal risk. You sell products without holding any inventory. This means you don't have to worry about storage or shipping logistics. Shopify makes it a breeze. With its user-friendly interface, you can set up an online store in no time and start selling products from suppliers directly to customers. Number 4, become a content creator. If you have a passion for creating videos, this could be your ticket to earning money online. Love making videos? Start a YouTube channel or Twitch stream. These platforms offer monetization options through ads, sponsorships, and viewer donations. Advertisers and sponsors can make your hobby pay off. With engaging content and a growing audience, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Lastly, take online surveys and test new apps. While this might not make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Sites like Swagbucks and user testing pay you for your opinions. These platforms reward you for completing surveys, testing websites, and providing feedback on new apps. It's a simple and straightforward way to make money online. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it and you'll see those dollars add up. The more effort you put in, the more you can earn. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay tuned for more ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom.